I've never seen that like that close anyway.
Yeah, you just don't want that tail to hit the floor.
No, it's not.
I hope not.
But I thought it spun and stuff.
That is spinning.
Oh, inside.
It'll hit the hand.
But again, look how blue it is over by the water, and then here it's. Huh. See the little cur at the end?
Yeah.
The little. You see that spin like that?
Yeah, well,
I'm going slow. Don't be behind me.
being this close, it's not slow. I'm worried about